Hey, one of the most popular models in the Miele dishwasher lineup is the G5266, available as either panel ready or with a stainless steel pocket handle fascia. This unit comes with our 3D third rack, gives you a bit of flexibility and adjustability. Adjustable top rack which adjusts 2 inches up and then 2 inches down. Comes with a water softener which will definitely help you with drying results. Then also a great feature called a quick intense wash, which is a full wash in 55 minutes. Come visit us here at the Burlington Best Brand showroom so you can see this dishwasher and a few of the other dishwashers in the Miele lineup. We'll be glad to serve you. I'll see you soon.